In Git, we can easily set up aliases for the commands that we use frequently, so we don't have to type them in their long form. Let me show you. So we type git config -- global. So this configuration gets applied to all of our repositories. Here in the alias section, we're going to define a new property. So we type a period, and then we type a custom command name. For example, lg, as in short for log. Now, whenever we type git lg, we want Git to execute a particular Git command. So we type that command here, log -- pretty. Now, because we have a space here, we should wrap this value with double quotes. Okay, so pretty equals format colon. Now here we have to use double quotes again to specify a format string. But because we have already surrounded the value with double quotes, I'm going to replace the inner quotes with single quotes. Okay, so here we can say %an as an author name, committed %h. So here's the end result. Now let's open up our global configuration file in our default editor. So we type git config -- global -e. So here's our git config file. Now down here in the alias section, we have the lg command that is bound to log with this pretty format. So now if we close this and type git lg, we see the output of our custom log command. So aliases are very useful, but in this course, I'm not going to use them because if someone watches the course from the middle, I don't want them to wonder, what is this custom git command that is not documented anywhere, okay? Now, before we finish this lesson, let me give you another useful example of an alias. So let's define another alias called onstage. With this, we can easily unstage the changes. So we're going to bind this to the restore command in Git. Once again, use double quotes. Here we type restore -- staged period. With this, we're going to restore all the files in the staging area. Now we can easily type git onstage. As simple as that.